it's what they're waiting for. Everybody off. This is Perikia Harbour on Paros. Just out at the end of the fishing, where all the fishing boats go. Very nice and atmospheric. There's Costas taverna. Yeah, coming to a cinema near you soon. That's just the place to go to if you've got a nasty little rash, that. Picture of tranquility.
Right, here in Greece there's some really good tucker. Take a look at these little beauties.
Just found an amusingly shaped tomato, which you can arrange in yeah. Make of that what you will. Costa, episode 1. The cutting of the tomato.
Oh, look at that inside.
Oh.
Small one, eh? Look at that. You see the inside of that, right?
Oh, that's a...
It's like watermelon, eh?
Yeah.
This is the expert way to cut a tomato.
Ah. Look at that, look. Ah, there you are.
It's watching a master at work.
This is
That's the best piece of tomato cutting I've seen, that. Oh yeah. The salt. There. Now here's a lovely scene. Across a leaky towards Antiparos. Absolutely stunning. Your television. Right, now we go see what the chef's making. Oh,
It's for you.
oh.
Kebab, 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 kebab. Costas kebab, Greek kebab.
Cooking with Costas, episode 2.
Εδώ, πάρε zoom εδώ, μέσα, πάρε το φαγό μέσα. Rain,
I'm back.
like I make saganaki, and you see how we make.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
When you are ready. When you're ready.
Irini, and Agustini, my best people here in the kitchen, they show you exactly the way.
Okay.
My
Right.
friends, they will be international in the English television, my friend Ray. Okay.
Okay, how to make saganaki.
I tell you, we cut a slice of feta. This is feta cheese from
Feta
goats
cheese?
and sheep. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then this is red pepper.
Red pepper.
That much you put.
Mm-hmm.
This is
And the-
slice of tomatoes.
Slice of tomato.
Yeah.
And
And
a
we
plate.
put in the microwave like this. Look. This is over there the microwave. You put for how long, Maya? 2 minutes and 15 seconds, my friend. You wait 2 minutes and 15 seconds now, and you will
Okay.
be ready. What kind of bomb comes out?
And now the saganaki is ready.
Yes, almost.
Here it comes, the final thing. Always use a towel because the plates are hot. And voila!
Here it is. You take olive oil, a bit, and you put on the top like this, and that's it. Bon appetit.
One saganaki.
This is kebab. This is kebab. We have for the wine.
Whoa. Thank you for letting me interrupt you.
You are always welcome. You are a member of the family here. You are a member of the family.
Thank you.
You and your friends. You know that.